Have you ever seen a dam in your life that's so massive, it feels like a ticking time bomb? Right next to it, there's a river. And if this dam ever fails, thousands or even millions of lives could be at stake. This enormous structure, built from earth and clay, is slowly being eroded by water, and one day, it could collapse. Today, I'm bringing you a list of the top 10 most dangerous dams in the world, many of which you've probably never heard of. And yes, one of India's most significant and hazardous dams is on this list, something you've likely never seen or heard about before. So stick around until the end, because this video is packed with jaw-dropping information. Hoover Dam, United States. Let's begin with the famous Hoover Dam in the United States. This is not just any dam, it's a colossal structure made entirely of concrete, holding back the mighty Colorado River between Arizona and Nevada. From above, it looks narrow and slender, but the reality is staggering. At its base, it stretches a massive 656 feet wide, tapering to just 46 feet at the top, making it both elegant and imposing. The engineering principle is simple. The wider the base, the stronger the dam. But a dam's purpose isn't just to hold back water, it's to control it efficiently. Hoover Dam channels water to generate electricity, irrigate farms, and supply water to millions of people while preventing uncontrolled floods that could destroy crops, homes, and entire cities downstream. Rising to 726 feet, 221.4 meters, this dam is a testament to human ingenuity, yet it's also a reminder of the consequences of failure. Imagine if this dam ever broke. The resulting flood could potentially affect millions, sweeping away everything in its path. Its catastrophic potential has even been depicted in several Hollywood movies, underlining just how seriously engineers and filmmakers alike view the Hoover Dam's immense power and danger. Almendra Dam, Spain. Next, we move to Europe, to the Almendra Dam in Spain, also known as the Villarino Dam. This dam is one of Spain's tallest and most formidable structures. Built between 1963 and 1977 to control the fast-flowing waters of the Agueda River. Behind it lies a vast reservoir covering 16.5 square kilometers, holding a staggering 2.5 billion cubic meters of water. The base of this dam is half a kilometer wide, rising to 222 meters in height, a structure capable of immense energy and pressure. Almendra Dam doesn't just hold water, it produces 810 megawatts of electricity, supplying power to countless homes and industries. But the danger here is ever present. Even a minor breach or structural compromise could unleash catastrophic flooding downstream, devastating communities and farmland alike. It's a clear reminder that while dams provide countless benefits, they are also monumental responsibilities, requiring constant vigilance and maintenance. Mosul Dam, Iraq. Next, we move to Iraq and the Mosul Dam, constructed in 1986 during Saddam Hussein's regime. Unlike the concrete giants we've discussed, Mosul Dam is made entirely of clay, which erodes day by day under the relentless pressure of water. Continuous, 24/7 maintenance is essential to prevent collapse. If neglected, the consequences would be catastrophic, potentially affecting millions of lives. Adding to the danger, this region is under constant threat from attacks, including ISIS operations, making Mosul Dam not just an engineering hazard, but also a security concern. It's a stark example of how human and environmental challenges intersect in the management of large-scale dams. Kariba Dam, Zimbabwe. Zambia. Number 7 on our list is the Kariba Dam, straddling the border between Zimbabwe and Zambia. Construction began in 1955 and was completed in 1968. It stands 420 feet, 128 meters, high and stretches 579 meters long, holding water that spans a massive 280-kilometer area. This dam's responsibility is enormous. The millions of people relying on it for electricity, irrigation, and water supply are entirely dependent on its stability. Without proper maintenance, this dam could fail, putting 3.5 million lives at immediate risk. The Kariba Dam demonstrates the delicate balance between human necessity and natural force, highlighting just how much trust we place in these colossal structures. Idukki Dam, India. At number 6, we return to India, to the Idukki Dam in Kerala. Built on the Periyar River, this dam, along with two other nearby dams, forms an artificial lake spanning a whopping 60 kilometers. Idukki Dam produces 780 megawatts of electricity, providing power for countless communities and industries. The dam itself rises 168.91 meters, 554 feet, and stretches 365 meters in length. While it's a marvel of engineering, even a minor fault could trigger devastating floods, submerging villages and displacing thousands of residents. The Idukki Dam highlights the dual nature of dams. They are both life-giving sources of energy and water, and potential agents of destruction if not properly maintained. Monticello Dam, United States. Number 5 is the Monticello Dam in the United States, renowned for its glory hole spillway. At first glance, it looks beautiful, a perfectly circular funnel, but it's also deadly. Anyone who falls in does not survive. Constructed between 1953 and 1957, the dam rises 304 feet, 93 meters, high and extends 312 meters in length. At peak capacity, 48,400 cubic feet of water per second can flow through its spillway, generating over 56 million kilowatts of electricity annually. Monticello Dam is a stark reminder that beauty can conceal danger, and even a seemingly small error near such a structure can have fatal consequences. Gordon Dam, Australia. Number 4 is Gordon Dam in Australia, located on the Gordon River in Tasmania. Construction began in 1974 and finished in 1978. It stands 140 meters, 459 feet, high and 198 meters long. From above, the dam appears incredibly thin, almost fragile, but its engineering makes it incredibly strong. Still, a single crack or failure could unleash devastation, flooding surrounding areas and causing significant loss of life. The Gordon Dam demonstrates the precision and care required in designing structures that hold back immense natural forces. Three Gorges Dam, China. Number 3 is the Three Gorges Dam in China, the largest dam on Earth. Spanning an astonishing 2.3 kilometers, it's said that its construction even affected the Earth's rotation slightly, a testament to its sheer mass. Completed in 2006, this dam has faced constant scrutiny due to its environmental impact, including landslides and earthquakes. Some have even speculated that the catastrophic 2008 earthquake in China, which killed approximately 27,000 people, was indirectly linked to this dam, though the government denies it. Three Gorges Dam exemplifies the fine line between monumental human achievement and environmental risk. Jinping Dam, China. At number 2, we travel to China again, home of the Jinping Dam, one of the largest and most expensive dams ever constructed. Built on the Yangtze River, this colossal structure soars 305 meters high, 1,001 feet, and stretches 568.6 meters long, making it a truly awe-inspiring engineering feat. But with great size comes great risk. This dam directly affects the lives of 6 million people, providing electricity to large regions while simultaneously serving as a critical component in flood management and water control. Engineers warn that the Jinping Dam is essentially a live bomb. One critical error or structural failure could unleash a disaster of unimaginable scale, wiping out communities and causing irreversible damage to both human life and the environment. The Jinping Dam serves as a powerful reminder that the most advanced engineering marvels can still be incredibly fragile under the right or wrong circumstances. Grande Dixence Dam, Switzerland. Finally, at number 1, we have the Grande Dixence Dam in Switzerland, also known as the Dixence Dam. Built on the Dixence River and completed in 1965, it rises 285 meters tall and stretches 380 meters long. It holds an enormous amount of water, and any malfunction could trigger catastrophic flooding on a scale that is nearly impossible to imagine. The Dixence Dam is not just a structure, it is a potent reminder of nature's power and humanity's responsibility when attempting to control it. So, which of these top 10 dangerous dams did you find the scariest? Would you dare to visit any of them in person, knowing the potential risk? Comment below and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and spread it among your friends and family so they too can learn about these incredible yet terrifying feats of engineering. We'll see you in the next exciting video. Until then, goodbye.